Today I will show you how to buy shares of Champion Iron Limited, a public iron ore producer listed on CBOE AUS under the ticker CIA.ASX. This is an educational walkthrough about the company and the buying process, not financial advice. You will need a brokerage account to trade, and I'll use eToro as a neutral example to demonstrate the steps. After registering, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can place an order. Use the platform search box and type the ticker CIA.ASX to find the listing. Select the result that matches Champion Iron Limited to open the company page. On the company page, you will see basic information about the business and a price chart to review recent moves. Confirm the company name and ticker to make sure you have the correct stock. Click Invest or Trade, enter the monetary amount you want to buy, then carefully review the order details and confirm the transaction. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed at the next session, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before final confirmation. After the trade, your new position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is available in the description if you want to explore the platform further.